Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today, we'll discuss how to program a promotion in NetSuite. Programming a promotion in NetSuite involves setting up promotion codes, creating discount items, and applying them in transactions. To get started, let's create a discount item. Navigate to Lists, Accounting, Items. New Select Discount Item from the Item Type options. Provide a clear item name/number to make it easier to find later. Set the applicable discount percentage or amount. Assign the item to a subsidiary. You may include additional details as needed. Also, be sure to specify the account that the discount item will impact. Once all required fields are completed and settings are configured, click Save to create the discount item. Now, let's move on to creating a promotion code. Navigate to Lists, Marketing, Promotion Codes, New. Click Standard Promotion. Provide a name for the promotion to easily identify it. Optionally, add a description to include additional details about the offer. Set the start and end dates to define the promotion's active period. Next, select the discount item that will be used for the promotion. Next, set the discount rate for the promotion. Enter the coupon code for the promotion. If applicable, set a minimum purchase requirement or specify whether the promotion applies regardless of the order amount. Finally, choose the item that will be included in the promotion. Once all the settings are configured, click Save to finalize and activate the promotion. Now, let's apply the promotion in a transaction. Navigate to Transactions, Sales. Enter Sales Order. Add the customer, subsidiary, and any other required fields to the sales order. Under the Items tab, select the item that is included in the promotion. Next, go to the Promotions tab and select the promotion created earlier. Please note that the status is now set to Applied. Under the Items tab, the discount item was automatically populated, applying a discount amount of $4. As you can see, the 20% promotion has been applied to this sales order, resulting in a total due amount of $16. And there you have it. We hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.